In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a divider element. A divider is a simple design tool, but it can make a big difference in the way your page looks. It helps separate sections of content, improves readability, and gives your layout a cleaner, more organized feel. If your page is starting to look a little crowded, or if you want a clearer visual break between sections, adding a divider is a great solution. To get started, click the plus button and select the divider element. This will place the divider onto your page so you can begin editing it. Once it appears, click directly on the divider to open its settings. This is where you'll control how it looks and how much space it creates within your design. Inside the settings, look for the divider style dropdown. Here, you can choose between solid, dotted, or dashed. A solid divider gives you a clean and classic line, which works well in most layouts. A dotted divider feels a bit softer and more decorative, while a dashed divider can add subtle, visual interest without being too bold. The best choice depends on the style of your page and how noticeable you want the separator to be. After choosing the style, adjust the width of the divider. For example, setting it to 50% creates a shorter line that feels more centered and intentional, rather than stretching all the way across the page. This is especially useful if you want a more modern, minimal look. Then adjust the height, which controls the thickness of the line. A thinner divider is usually more subtle, while a thicker one stands out more clearly between sections. Next, go to the Advanced tab and use the margin settings to add space above and below the divider. This step is important because it prevents your content from looking too tight or crowded. Good spacing helps each section breathe and makes the overall design easier to read. If the divider feels too close to surrounding text or images, increase the top and bottom margins until the layout feels balanced. As you make these changes, keep the rest of your page design in mind. A divider should support your content, not distract from it. With the right style, width, thickness, and spacing, you can create a polished visual break that improves the flow of your page and makes everything look more professional.